Are you intrigued by the thought of creating your own skincare products? Ever wondered about blending household ingredients into a soothing facial mask or a refreshing toner? Well, today we're diving into the world of homemade skincare recipes. First on the menu is a delightful honey and yogurt face mask. The process is quite simple. Combine 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Once they're blended, apply this concoction generously to your face, letting it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After time's up, rinse it off with warm water. This mask is a surefire way to moisturize, soothe, and brighten your skin. Next, we're crafting an oatmeal face scrub. Begin by grinding oatmeal into a fine powder. Mix this powder with either honey or yogurt to form a paste. With gentle circular motions, massage this mixture onto damp skin. Rinse off with warm water. The oatmeal serves as a gentle exfoliant, banishing dead skin cells, while honey or yogurt gives your skin a moisturizing treat. Our third recipe is an avocado and banana face mask. Start by mashing half an avocado and half a ripe banana until smooth. Apply this lush mixture to your face, leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Both avocado and banana are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, promising hydration and nourishment to your skin. Moving on to the body, we're whipping up a simple coconut oil body moisturizer. After showering, apply a small amount of coconut oil to your damp skin, massaging until fully absorbed. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer, renowned for its ability to soften and hydrate the skin. For the fifth recipe, we're brewing a green tea toner. Steep a green tea bag in hot water and let it cool. Transfer the cooled green tea to a spray bottle and spritz it onto your face after cleansing. Rich in antioxidants, green tea can help tone and refresh your skin. Finally, we're creating a lemon and sugar lip scrub. Mix equal parts lemon juice and sugar to form a paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your lips in circular motions and rinse off with warm water. This scrub exfoliates and softens the lips, removing dead skin cells. To wrap things up, remember to do a patch test before trying any new homemade skincare recipe, especially if you have sensitive skin. This ensures you won't have any adverse reactions. So, there you have it. 6 homemade skincare recipes that are easy to make, using ingredients you likely have in your kitchen right now. From a honey and yogurt face mask to a lemon and sugar lip scrub, there's something for everyone to try. Enjoy these recipes and the radiant skin they promise.